Good morning. Happy snowy Tuesday. It has quickly started to be all over the news that large investors are pulling resources to buy hundreds of thousands of packages of properties all over the US, which then, of course, triggers a lot of our clients to say, hey, maybe I should be looking at investment property options as well. I wanted to let you know that we have an amazing tool where we can play around and help people calculate, especially if they're new investors and they haven't done this before, what their monthly cash flow will look like based off that specific property and what you believe that it can rent for in that area. In addition to, what is their ROI going to be down to the exact HOAs, taxes, homeowners insurance based off what their interest rate is, and really pull them long term options so that if they're not an experienced investor and this is their first go at this, or maybe you just don't have access to these resources, we'd love to help out. Any questions or anything I can help with, as always, please don't hesitate to reach out.